automatic masasama sila kung wala siyang, kunyari nag-donate siya, o kaya kung walang income itong anak, at sasabihin nun anak, bigay sa akin ng magulang ko, di automatic na sa kanya, di magla-lifestyle check. Ang tanong ko sa kanya, vlogger ka, nag-file ka ba ng income tax return mo? Nagbayad ka ba ng buwis? So, ito yung lahat na ari-arian mo. So, nagbayad ka lang ng 100,000, di kulang. Di tax evasion yan. For tax purposes, di ba? Katulad nung nangyari kay Napoles, di ba? Yung daughter niya, di ba? Pinaila namin ng tax evasion case. Kasi, di ba, hindi ko alam, nakalimutan ko na yan. Basta may bahay yata siya, condominium sa Amerika, nakasakay sa, di ba? So, tinignan namin yung, kung nagbabayad ba siya ng buwis, hindi. So, sabi mo sa'yo yan, di may tax evasion. Kasi meron kang ari-arian, paano mo naman nakuha yan kung wala kang income? Di ba? Eh, wala naman donation binigay sa'yo. Diba? Kasi kung may donation, makikita rin ng BIR kasi may donor's tax yan eh.
I think the lifestyle check would include the family, no? Because you cannot isolate naman a public official and say that this lifestyle check is only up to or just for him. With the social media now, I believe that it's really open. There's really no need to for some even rules, no, for social media alone. But to substantiate what you see in social media is what is different, because what you see in the social media need to be backed by evidence, need to be backed by a proof, no, and that is where the investigation lies.
PJ, on SALN, I think the question kanina was yung kung requesting party ay mga politicians na wini-recognize. But for the media, will you grant access to the media?
If ever I will be the ombudsman, I will actually take a look at the reason now, no? Access to SALN is allowed only if the filer himself gives a consent. Tama? Para sa akin naman, that is too restrictive. You know, Justice Martirez is my colleague for a long time, and it's not that I'm criticizing him. No, he is right in setting certain limits, but I think it should be the the limits should also be reasonable to gain access to the SALN. I believe that the media should be given the right to take a look at the SALN if you can take a look at it, although maybe there is a need to redact certain items.
Mga personal
Yes.
information.
Well, that will all depend doon sa evidence na makukuha natin. If i-transfer doon sa mga anak, sa kapamilya, sa asawa, yung illegally acquired wealth, then masasama sila. Because ang ano lang na titingnan natin dito is yung kanila bang kayamanan is commensurate doon sa sweldo na tinatanggap nila, or kung meron man silang mga negosyo, kaya ba itong ma-acquire through. Basta ang importante dyan is, was it acquired through lawful means?
Just a follow-up from Camille's question, sir. Yung enabling laws ba natin on forfeiture, saka yung sa investigation ng ill-gotten wealth under 6770, originally covered ba talaga nun yung mga family members if merong evidence?
Yes, kasama yung family members. Even yung forfeiture, yung it is a 1955 law, yung RA 1379, nakalagay na doon, nakasama yung family members.